today we will start a new chapter. It is chapter 11, alcohol, phenols and the ether. Before starting the chapter, first we study the what is alcohol and what is phenol. Alcohols is formed when hydrogen atom this is simple open chain hydrocarbon. In alcohols is formed when a hydrogen atom in a hydrocarbon, it is open chain compound, is replaced by a OH group. It is replaced by a OH group. Hydrogen atom present in the hydrocarbon chain, it is replaced by the hydroxyl group and it convert into the alcohols by a replacement of hydrogen which is present in a open chain compound. So this is a alcohol. And what is phenol? When a hydrogen present in a aromatic compound, it is replaced by the hydroxyl group. It convert into the phenol. This is phenol. To define of the alcohol, it is when the hydrogen present in a hydrocarbon chain, it is replaced by the hydroxyl group and convert into the alcohol. And in phenols, hydrogen present in a aromatic ring, it is replaced by the hydroxyl group and convert into the phenol. So these are the alcohol and phenol. Nowadays we are widely use the alcohols. We are facing the problem coronavirus, and for kill the coronavirus we are using sanitizer. So sanitizer, main constituent of sanitizer, it is alcohol. Alcohol and means alcohol, ethanol, propanol, it is the main constituent of sanitizer. So and the alcohol, it is also present in sugar, paper and the cotton. So first we will study the classification of alcohol and the phenol. Alcohols and phenols. So classification, it is present of number of hydroxyl group attached with the aliphatic or aromatic compound. It is first is monohydrate and monohydrate, dihydrate or mono, di, tri or a polyhydrate compounds. The example is mono, di, tri and polyhydrate compounds are, first it is ethanol, C2H5OH. Because of one hydroxyl group, it is monohydrate. And second is because of presence of two OH group, it is dihydrate. And presence of 3 OH group in a carbon chain, it is trihydrate. And the same as in the aromatic compound, like first one hydroxyl group present in a ring, it is monohydrate. When the two hydroxyl group present in a aromatic ring, it is dihydrate. When the 3 hydroxyl group present in a aromatic ring. This is trihydric. So this is the first classification on presence of the number of hydroxyl group. And monohydric and again classified monohydrics again classified on the according to hybridization of the monohydric again classified into the two groups on according to hybridization of carbon atom to which the hydroxyl group is attached. First is CsP3 carbon sp3 hybridized carbon attached hydroxyl group and sp2 hybridized carbon attached hydroxyl group. So this is the two classes of monohydric alcohols. Monohydric alcohols and sp3 hybridized OH bond. In this it is again classified into three classes. First is primary and first is the primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. sp3 hybridized attached carbon hydroxyl group attached with the sp3 hybridized carbon. That time it is again divided in three classes. First is primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. It is example is primary, it is CH2OH and secondary it is 2 branch CH OH. Tertiary have 3 branch. Tertiary have 3 branch. So this is the primary, secondary and tertiary. And second is the allylic alcohol. Second is the allylic alcohols. And third is the benzylic alcohol. Allylic means in this alcohol, I am explaining here what is allylic and what is benzylic. So allylic means it is attached hydroxyl group attached carbon attached in the next carbon which is sp2 hybridized. So it is allylic and this is sp3 hybridized carbon and that's why it is known as allylic alcohol. If the 2 branches is present in this, so this is primary, and when the 2 branches present in this chain it is secondary. If the 3 branches present, then tertiary. Next is the last is the benzylic alcohol. In the benzylic alcohol, when the OH group is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to the aromatic ring, so it is known as benzylic alcohol. It is CH2OH. So it is primary benzylic alcohol, and because it is sp2 hybridized carbon but it is sp2 hybridized carbon atom, so it is benzylic alcohol and the benzylic fluence, and this is primary, and next it is secondary. If the 3 branches is present, then it is tertiary. So thank you.